Sticky water, part 2. In the last video I said to you that I thought that my water was different. Now this is happening in my sink and around my taps. The water is just not flowing into the plug hole, and it's stuck there most of the day. It can't be natural for a drop of water on a slope to be stuck like this. We haven't used anything different cleaning wise on the surfaces. It's definitely a new thing. There's no leak on the tap, it's just that we've had the way that the tap is positioned. Anyway, for those of you who are interested, who think there's something different about the water, which I definitely think there is, this is another video. All the best.